Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing spring flowers and honeybee nail art. I'm starting off to make yellow flowers. I'm going to create the petals by making strokes with my liner brush to make slim petals. And then I'm going to do this to every other nail that I think I need yellow so I can be done with that color. And then also for every drawing that I do, I cure in between so that I don't have my paints being smudged over the place, or if in case I hit them, they don't smear. Okay, so I'm done with that one. To make these white flowers, I'm just drawing out little M's, and I'm going to position them so that they can form a flower. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to, before I cure, I will drag through with my liner brush in between um the petals to make like lines in the flowers. Okay, so I'm using my liner brush again to make like little I like to call them pink cotton balls to make little pink cotton ball flowers or whatever that is, just to add a little, like spring vibe. Spring is always very colorful with nice flowers all over around. So that's what I'm trying to create as well. And then when I'm done, I will line the edges of this pink cotton ball flower with some green to act like the stalk of the flower. And then everywhere else that I need pink, I will apply. In the middle of the flowers, I will put some pink. Okay, using my liner brush, we're going to create the honeybees by making round, or would I say oval shapes. We're going to use the liner brush to make oval shapes, and then I'll add as much gel paints as I need, and then I will cure this in the lamp, outline the stripes of the yellow with black, and then also cure that as well before I move to doing the eyes and then the wings. Okay, so I did switch over to a 000 brush just so that I could get the lines really slim and then really straight as well. And then I'll do that to the rest of the flat of the honeybees, sorry. And then also to outline, I'll be using this brush as well. The reason I did not use the other Saviland liner brush is because it's got much thicker um hairs, or would I say brush bristles. It's a lot thicker than this one, and it would give me thicker lines as opposed to using this one. And guys, please remember to cure in between every design once you're satisfied with it, because if you smudge it, you might not make it as perfect as you did it before. Okay, so I'm all done, and now I'm going to apply top coats to seal that design in, and some cuticle oil as well because my cuticles do need them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it really helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at LV and the brand. Bye.